Hey honeys, welcome back to Kids Natural World and thank you so much for tuning in. So yes honeys, it's the hairstyle video today. Yay! We haven't brought you a hairstyle video in a while. The kids are going back to school, so we did a back to school hairstyle and we thought we'd share with you just to give you an idea, some inspiration, okay? If in case you're struggling to find an easy hairstyle, especially on a busy day, this is the hairstyle for you. So here we go guys, let's get started. The hair is already washed, the scalp is oiled, the hair is moisturized, okay? So I start by sectioning the hair, taking this section as you just can see, like in the form of a triangle, and then I take another section of this one, a smaller section again in the form like of a triangle, okay, at the back. And then what I'm going to do with the front, the bigger section, I'm going to roll it in three, okay? I'm going to put the bigger section into three roll, and then after that I'm going to put it together with the triangles. So that's just as you can see. So the first roll is done already, and I'm just doing halfway. I'm not braiding all the way to the end. There you go, all done, very quick, okay? And then the other part of the front I section into two, just like you can see, and then I section the front from the back, okay, just like you can see, okay? Here we go, that's it, just like that. And then you can see the front is in two sections, so I'm going to tuck that one side away, and then I'm going to put the other side into twist, okay? We're going to do twist with it, okay? We're going to twist it now guys. Just to let you know, this is not a tutorial on how to do a twist, so I'm not going to go too much into details on how to do the twist. I have a video, okay, on how to do a twist. I have a tutorial, I have a video on it, okay? So I'm going to insert it in here in case you want to know how to do the twist itself, because here I'm going a bit fast, okay? Because this video is just to show you how to achieve this easy, quick hairstyle, okay? Especially in the days where you're busy and you just want something quick and easy, this is the hairstyle for you. It's so quick, it's so easy as well, very straightforward. So I'm not going to go too much into details, like I said, on how to do the twist. I have a tutorial, okay, a video already. You can watch that, okay, to know how to do the twist, okay, and then you can do this stuff, okay? So I've done all of it, as you can see. This is the fourth one, okay, very beautiful, cute, I love it, okay? And the rest of the hair that I put on the side, I'm also going to put that in twist as well, just like you can see. It's all done, so cute. So nice and cute. So yes, so we come back to the cornrow section. So I take the little section, okay, in the triangle on the back, and I'm going to put it together with the cornrow, okay? And then we secure the base with a rubber band. Now again guys, I've got a tutorial, I've got a video on how to use rubber bands safely on your hair, just in case you're concerned about using rubber bands. Again, it's the same video on the how to do the twist, so if you watch that video you will know how to use your rubber bands safely on your hair. It's the same video, okay? Please bear with us. Some of us, I think, we love to see ourselves in the camera, okay? So yeah, pardon us. So as you can see, I put the side of the cornrow into two twists, okay? The cornrow section, I've done it into two twists as well. This hairstyle is so cute guys, it's so cute. So that's it, all done, that side is done. Okay, so now we move to the back. This is the back. We're going to do the back now. Again, the back, I'm just going to put them in twist as well. So it's such a quick hairstyle. All you do is the cornrow, and then once you're done, everything else is just in twist and you're done. It's so short, it takes very little time to do. So you know, it's so suitable for very busy days, you know, so good. for busy days when you just want something quick, few minutes, and then you're done. So yes, I'm just parting the hair, just creating patterns, okay, to do the rest of the twist at the back. Please follow us, guys, okay, on our other socials as well. So please follow us on Instagram, K-Culture, okay, on also Instagram, Kipstyles, where you see all our hairstyles, okay. Also, we are on TikTok as kids.natural, on Facebook, kids.natural, okay. And please don't forget to subscribe here if you haven't subscribed already, because we're going to bring you a lot of hairstyles, okay, a lot of kids hairstyles, a lot of hairstyles for school and other, events. So please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, okay, and you will love this channel, okay. We also give you tips on how to grow your hair, how to achieve long, strong, healthy hair, okay. So please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, a big thank you again. Thank you so much to all our returning subscribers and all our new subscribers. Thank you. So there we go. That's a long one, a long twist there. But the hairstyle is just, it's so quick. It's so quick. You can also do, you can add extensions to it if your little one has got short hair. Okay, you can add extensions to this to achieve this hair. So here we go, guys, all done. As you can see, we are done. So nice, so quick, okay. And then now we just put in some beads, okay. We just put in some beads. Here we go. And I'm going to share a video on how to actually put the beads on the hair, okay, because I know it can be a bit tricky how to bead and braids and twist. So yes, there we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, okay, and please give us a thumbs up if you love this video. Thank you so much, and please share, definitely share. It will help something out there. And thank you so much again, and we'll see you in the next video. God bless, and don't forget to check out our other socials. Take care, God bless, bye.